How to change the apps grid layout settings for your Tecno Spark phone, and this is going to be for apps on your home screen. To find these settings and change them, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you're going to see where it says desktop settings right to the bottom right. As you go here now, you're going to look for the part that says desktop grid, this option right here. When you tap on it, you'll see the option to go with 4x6 or 5x6. And of course, the higher the number, the more space you'll have for your icons to have in your home screen. Next up, you also have the icons in the folder. So if you created a folder on your home screen, and within that folder, you can choose 3x4 or 4x4, and whichever option you select will stay that way until you come back and change it. And of course, you can always change these settings at any given time. Also, to make your icons look smaller or bigger, you can tap on where it says icon size here, right up here, and you can adjust the size of it. So if you want them to look smaller, you can adjust the size as well, like and so.